subtraction of vector. If vector A is equals to 5i plus 3j plus 9k, and vector B is equals to what? 2i plus j plus 3k. Find vector A minus vector B. Okay, so we have vector A. We have vector A equals to 5i plus 3j plus 9k. And vector B equals to 2i plus j plus 3k. Now, vector A minus vector B will be equals to, so which one is vector A? This. So we have 5i for 5i plus 3j plus 9k. That is vector A. That is vector A minus vector B. And vector B is this, which is 2i plus j plus 3k. Now, in addition or subtraction of vector, I will go for I. You will do for I and I separate, j and j separate, and k separate. Now, for I and I here, 5i minus 2i, that will give me what? 3i. Here I have 3j minus j. This j is just like 1j. So 3 minus 1 will give me what? That is plus 2j. Here I have 9k minus 3k. So 9 minus 3, that will give us what? That will give us 6k. So therefore vector A minus vector B is equals to 3i plus 2j plus 6k. Stay tuned for more tutorial video. Please do well to subscribe, like, comment, share on the notification button. Thank you.